So these are the screens I have to build. So this is the sketch that I have drawn in the starter video, and this is the final. Hi guys, welcome back to new video, and today we are going to build a mobile app. So I'm going to take you through this journey. So today I'm going to show you how mobile developer, means a solo developer like me, build mobile apps. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start. So whenever we build any mobile app, we go through 4 steps. First step is your idea, and second step is wireframing, where we design our UIs, we decide our color, themes and all, basically which button should be where, which image should be where, how we have to structure the data and all we decide here. Basically in this step we design a rough sketch so that whenever we go to code we will have an idea like which thing we have to put. Generally I use rough sketch on paper, but in production people use softwares like Figma and all, and even if you will work on theme you will have to use some softwares where you will collaborate with multiple people and you will work there together. There are a lot of softwares like Figma and all where you can design your UI and prototype, and also you can do their wireframing of your app of multiple screens. So this is second step, wireframing or UI design you can say. Third step is product development, where we select tech stack, like which programming languages, frameworks you are going to use for this idea to build. You have to figure out all the tech stack for front end and back end you are going to use. And last, fourth step, which is testing. After building a mobile app you have to go through all the testing processes by checking your app in front of multiple test cases. Also your exception handling and all we guys go through thoroughly, and after all this testing we publish this app on stores. So this 4 step mainly we focus whenever we build any mobile app or any product. So firstly let's talk about our idea. So idea is I have to build a task manager app for SnapGo team. What is SnapGo? If you want to know more about SnapGo you can watch this video, you will get to know everything about it. So this is basically a startup, ride sharing startup, where I'm working as a software developer. So I joined there before some days. So there I have been assigned to build a task manager app, and the idea is like I have to build an app where there should be one screen, and whatever a task is assigned to me it should show there. Admin will give task and this task will go to the particular user, that particular user whoever it is assigned. So this is the main thing. So now let's design it simple sketch. I need just 2 or 3 screen max on this app. This is very simple app, there is not so much complexity, this is very simple app. So let me draw it sketch what we are going to build. So let me write firstly its title, task manager, SnapGo task manager. Okay, I hope it is visible. So firstly there will be max 2 to 3 screens. So firstly when someone will open app it should show login screen, where I will have 2 to 3 text field where I want name, email and password. Okay, and after that a login page, user should go on home page. Okay, where all the tasks that is assigned to this user should show in list waveform. We can even show in card also, but I will show in list waveform. And this is for user only, task will show this is if there is user. And after login, if there is admin, means suppose if I log in there as an admin, so here it should show all the tasks that is assigned to all the users. Also there will be a plus button so that I can assign task as a user. So also when someone clicks, means when admin will click this plus button, it should show a form from where it can give details like title, description of task, deadline, status. These things admin can give from here. So these are the screens I have to build: login screen, home screen, that's it. And there will be one task add screen. So max there is 3 screens. And now let's talk about tech stack that I'm going to use. So see, for front end I'm going to use Flutter. Flutter you might be knowing, it's a cross-platform development framework by Google, from Google, by which we can build mobile apps for Android and iOS. So it's a framework. And for backend means for database, we are going to use a BaaS platform. There are multiple BaaS platform, backend as a service platform like Firebase, Superbase, AppWrite. So I'm going to use AppWrite, okay, to store all the tasks and all. Whatever task admin will create, it will be stored on AppWrite database, and from there we will fetch in interface, we will fetch in front end. So simple, we are going to use Flutter for front end, and for back end for storing all the tasks we are going to use database. Also we will use here name based authentication. I'll already give some list of names that will be our team members, and whenever admin will assign task, it can easily select name from that drop down menu that will be coming from database, because I will already provide names there because we have very few members. So this name based admin, so this name based authentication I'm going to use. This app is very simple. We don't have to go for public usage, we have to build this just for our internal use, okay. So whatever we will build, it will be in our own team only. So this is the simple architecture of our app that we are going to build. App idea is simple. Admin will assign tasks to the team members, and the task only should show that particular user, whoever have assigned. There should not be all tasks visible to everyone. Only assigned tasks should be visible to that particular user. So as of now, they have told me to build this much only. And in further, if they'll ask to add some feature, I will definitely add it. So now let us start coding and let's start building. Guys, after almost 2.5 hours I completed stuff, and let me show you everything one by one. So here I have opened 2 devices. One is Android emulator and another one is iPhone simulator, okay. So in iPhone simulator I have opened as an admin. Just a second. Yeah. So see, so this is the UI of home page, and if you'll click on this plus button, you will see this form where you can means admin can assign task like this. Firstly, let me show you from a start, okay. So let me run it again. Right now it's running on 2 devices, so I'm going to run again on iPhone simulator. From here I can restart it. Building here, already built it. It will show here, just a second. So yeah, when this app will open, you will see a drop down menu with bunch of users, means teammates, that I already have defined in my database. I'll show you soon. So it fetch the users from my database, means basically these are my team members. So from here we can go as an admin or as my name. Suppose I am Minhaj, so I will select this and continue this. So whatever task has been assigned to me, it will show here. And here I entered as a admin, so whatever task I have given to my teammates, it is showing here. And from, if you'll click this, it will show the details of that task, deadline, status and all. And how you can assign tasks, let me show you. So if you'll enter as an admin, here there you will see a plus button, but if you enter as a user, you won't see any plus button. So let me add one task and show you. So I will click on this plus button, and firstly here a bunch of text fields are here. So firstly title I want to enter, let's say content creation, and here you have to provide description of our task. So let's say I want 10 reels. Okay, this is short description, you can be more descriptive also. And here from you can select team members, which team member you want to assign this task. So I am selecting Minhaj because I have logged in here as a Minhaj. So that I'm selecting Minhaj here, so that you can see the task here, because it will directly show you as soon as I add task here. Okay, so and from here we can select deadline, so let's say 25, and from here status, let's say in progress. Okay, and add task as soon. So I entered this task here, it will go to below. I will soon reverse it so that it will come on top, and you will see this task here, this content creation. I added this here from admin, and this came here. This is totally cloud based, so it fetched here. And from here you can see assign to, created this, deadline of this. And from here you can delete it also, like from, if you swipe it left you can edit it. From here you can edit it. If you drag it right side, you can delete it from here easily. So this is the simple app. This is not so complex. We just have to do this, and this all task is going to database. Let me show you. If I'll come to this, yeah. So I'm using app right here. Just a second. Yeah, my camera, guys. My phone is not so stable. So yeah. So on app right, I have created one database called to database, and where we have two collections, like one task collections and one users collections. Users is like my team members. I can add more team members here, which will show here where we can select. And if we'll go to task, here all the tasks whatever have been assigned, bunch of columns are here, like title, description, assigned to, deadline, status and all. And all the tasks whatever I am creating from here, all are being stored here. So this is how simply it works. Whatever admin is creating tasks, it is being stored here and being fetched the user screen. So this is the simple workflow of this app. And UI is also quite good. My UI is not the UI that I created, it was not so good. So I gave my code to Claude and told it to improve my UI as per modern update in iOS. So it make it glassy, which is looking quite beautiful. So UI is quite good as of now. So this is the sketch that I have drawn in the startup video, and this is the final output. And let me show you source code also. So on source code, just a second. So I have just few screens like home screen, login screen, and task details where I'm filling form. That was task screen. There is one model, task model, like what we need, title, description, tag, not tag, title, description, assigned to, deadline order. This is task model, and that glass container that is being used everywhere to list title and all the indicators. So this was very simple application that I had to build to manage task at SnapGo. So yeah, this was my app. I'm also not finalizing it. I will recheck again everything is working or not, everything is fine or not. Not now, I'll do it tomorrow because it's quite late night. Right now it's around more than 1 AM, okay, in midnight. So tomorrow I'll give some final touches, and after that I will tell to my teammates. So this was the video. The purpose of this video was just to show you how an application is made. Okay, so now you have idea that how apps are built and how a solo developer build mobile apps. Now you have idea. So I should wrap up this video here, And how was this video? Make sure to comment below, and if you like this video, make sure to press that like button, and for more such type of content, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.